If your dishwasher will not empty, I understand how frustrating this can be. It's a common issue that can usually be resolved with some straightforward troubleshooting, and I'm here to guide you through the process. When a dishwasher will not empty, it typically means there's a blockage, a kinked hose, or a minor mechanical issue. Don't worry, many of these can be fixed at home without the need for a repair call. The first thing to check when your dishwasher will not empty is the drain filter at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. Over time, food particles and debris can clog the filter, which prevents water from draining out properly. You'll usually find the filter at the base, under the spray arm. Simply remove it, clean out any food buildup, and rinse it thoroughly under hot water. This simple step can often solve the problem, as a blocked filter is one of the most common causes when a dishwasher will not empty. Next, take a look at the drain hose that connects your dishwasher to the household plumbing. If the hose is kinked or bent, it can restrict water flow and lead to drainage issues. Straighten out the hose and make sure it's not pinched or compressed. If it's properly positioned, but your dishwasher will not empty, you may need to disconnect it and check for blockages. Sometimes, small bits of food or residue get trapped inside the hose, and flushing it with hot water or using a thin brush can help clear any buildup. Another component to check is the air gap, which is a small fitting often located near your kitchen sink. The air gap prevents dirty water from siphoning back into your dishwasher. When it becomes clogged, it can lead to drainage problems. To clear it, simply twist off the cap, remove any debris, and rinse it thoroughly, regularly checking and cleaning. The air gap can help prevent future issues with your dishwasher not emptying. If you've checked the filter, hose, and air gap, and your dishwasher will still not empty, the problem may lie with the drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pushing water out of the dishwasher. Over time, it can wear down or become clogged with small objects. You can inspect the pump for any visible obstructions, but be careful, as accessing it may require removing parts of the dishwasher. If you're not comfortable doing this, it may be best to call a professional technician to assess the drain pump. In cases where none of these steps solve the issue and your dishwasher will not empty, it's possible there's a problem with the control board or other internal components that manage the drainage cycle. If that's the case, professional help will be necessary. However, by performing these basic checks and regular maintenance, you can often resolve the problem yourself, or at least identify the likely cause.